Welcome back to Carlton Motor Company. This is the 2020 Ford Transit Custom Limited. It's a short wheelbase, low roof. Best part about this van, it's automatic. It's the 2 litre, 170 PS, very rare van this. You've got alloys, you've got a rear tailgate as well. Fire line, loads of spec to show you. Come on, let's have a look inside. And what a lovely van this is to drive. The Limiteds have the top spec. There is everything you could wish for and more. There's far too much to list. Aircon, cruise, sat-nav, automatic, 170 PS. You can't get much more in one van. If you would like any more information, please feel free to speak to Nick or Chris. We've got finance, we've got delivery, we've got warranty available on this van. Thanks for watching.